God. These pit bulls is eating the cat. Can y'all see him eating the cat? Oh my God. He is eating the cat. He got the cat in his mouth. They is loose. They is little kittens. And he's staying there eating it. It's another one. It's a brown and white one. Where you go? They eating up all the little cats. Man, that is crazy. He is eating a cat. And these dogs is loose out here hungry. Oh my God. I had to get my phone. I don't see the other dog. He is eating that fucking cat, y'all. That's what's loose over here in Highland Park. Boy, look, he is eating the cat. I don't know where the other pit bull is. They didn't come out the house, so they must don't hear the cats out there crying and stuff. Oh my God, I've never seen that before. Well, I seen a cat, our cat eat a squirrel and eat her baby out of her stomach. He carrying it, he picking it up. I'm trying to wait for this other pit to come out so I can have both of them on camera. Oh my God, don't come running over here. Jesus Christ. As soon as I stop my camera, the other dog is going to come out. He looking around, but he ain't stopping. Pit crew, where you at? I'ma need y'all. He's just eating up the doggone cat. That is crazy. And I still don't see the other dog. There he come. He got it in his mouth. He going back. Still don't see the other dog. The other dog was brown and white. Well, we know they're out here loose and hungry.